Good morning, children. I am Sunil Kumar Singh from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Children, today we are going to start lesson 1, topic generation of computer. First of all, student, you know what is generation? Generations means simple in concept we have to be understood. Yes, from grandfather to father and the children. Here are three generations: grandfather to father and to children. Same as like also computers classified into generation. In computer, generations means generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer is or was being used. Initially, the generation terms was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer systems. There are 5 computer generations known till date. Each generation known till date has been discussed in detail along with their time period and characteristics. So today first start the first generation of computer. The first generation computer which was developed between 1942 to 1955 were called first generation of computer. This generation computers means first generation computer. The size of computer is very big as compared to as our one room. That much of big was first generation computer, and these computers were very expensive to operate. The main component is used in these generations is vacuum tubes, and capacitor also used to store binary data and information. Punch card were used for communication of input and output data and information. They generate a lot of heat. They have about 1000 circuits per cubic foot were used. The example of first generation computer is Mark I, which was developed in 1944, ENIAC in 1946, and EDVAC in 1947 are the example of first generation computer. Now second generation computer, this period is from 1956 to 1964, which computer was developed. That one is kept under second generation computer. Computer is still large in this generation but smaller than the first generation computer. Due to that, in place of what vacuum tube in the first generation computer, here transistor were used to perform calculation. Positions of magnetic tapes as per data stores. The use of keyboard as an input device was also introduced in second generation computer. They still generate a lot of heat in which an AC is needed to maintain a cold temperature, and they have about 1000 circuits per cubic foot were used, same as like what in the first generation were used. The example of second generation computers are Leprechaun, IBM 700, IBM 7030, ENIAC 1401, CDC 160, and RCA 501 are the example of second generation computer. Now third generation computer from 1965 to 1971, which computer were developed, that one is kept under third generation computer. This generation computer were used large scale integrated circuits. With this computer becomes smaller as compared to second generation. Integrated circuits were used for both data processing and storage. They were reduced in size. Keyboard and mouse were used for input the monitor, while the monitor was used as output device. Use of programming language like COBOL and Fortran were developed in this generation computer. They have 100,000 circuits per cubic foot were used in this. In this generation, computers are PDP-11, IBM 370, and Honeywell 200 are the example of this generation computer. Now the fourth generation computers from 1972 to 1980s, which computers were developed that kept under fourth generation computer. In this generation computer, the main components which were used, that one is very large scale integrated circuits which contain thousands of transistors, and first time in this generation computers microprocessor was created by Intel company, which performs all the tasks of a computer system used today. And the size of computers and cost was reduced as compared to, that is, the third generation computer, and increase in speed of computer. They have millions of circuits per cubic foot were used in this. The examples of fourth generation computers are IBM System 3090, HP 9000 means HP 9000, and Cray 2XMP are the examples of fourth generation computer. Now fifth generation computers, the period is from 1982 to onwards, are called fifth generation computer. In this generation computers are based on AI. AI means artificial intelligence, are still in development, and some applications such as voice recognition, facial face detector, and thumbprint that are used today are the examples of fifth generation computers. Satellite links, virtual realities, also of fifth generation computer. They have billions of circuits per cubic foot were used in it. And the examples of fifth generation computers are supercomputers and robotics. Children, you know that which one is the supercomputer India was developed? I think anyone can give? Okay. Now Param. Param is the supercomputer which India was developed. So children, I understood that everyone know about fifth generations which last first to fifth generation of computers. Just go through it, revise it, learn it, and in next videos we have to become through your next topic. Thank you.